This is DOLIN, your partner in motor care. Quick tip: detect noise and vibration in motors. Listen for unusual hums, clicks, or rattling. Track vibration trends, bearing temperature and alignment. Use a handheld vibration meter or a stethoscope app for early signs. Common causes: imbalance, misalignment, loose mounts, and bearing wear. Fix with precision alignment, retightening, balancing, and on-time bearing service. Need help? Dongling supplies, electric motors, gear motors, and inverters from DOLIN Taiwan. Contact us now.